Guys, uses is it's boring, right? Wrong. There's a lot of numbers. Let's get going. Oh, look at that. Happy color. This is not an ad or a sponsor, but happy color. Come on, sponsor me. I installed this like I don't know, just I think it's just like a few years. Yeah, a few years. Like 2021, I found this app. Okay, sorry guys, just my mom. Uh, look at that. It's already colored. It's like real life. I mean, um, the event is already over, but I'm just coloring because it's just easy. It's just easy. You're hearing me. Oh yeah. Please subscribe. My New Year's resolution, just like Crainer. Hit 100 subscribers, and probably go check Crainer out. He's like one of my favorite YouTubers. He never met me though. I really want to meet him though. He's like one of my favorite YouTubers. So look at so far looks good. Look at this. Wow, look like real life. I'm gonna show you the other one that I made that I colored already. It's amazing. Go download Happy Color. It's really relaxing, but sometimes it's intimidating.
What's going on,
like
guys?
bunch of some pictures is hard. Literally bunch of you need to color. So just picking just like the easiest first, targeting the easiest, then the hardest. Look at this. What? When you zoom out, look at that. Looks so good. Wow. Yeah. And I'm just watching TV while I'm doing this. Okay. Where's the other?
What do you think you're doing? She's gotta learn how to drive a somewhere. Not for you, she doesn't. That's my job. Okay.
Okay. 30.
I'm not gonna have that guy teach you how to drive. It's gonna be people. It's gonna be fun. Jacob, say one. Girls can't touch.
Okay.
Actually, I like this. It's very nice.
Okay. It's really easy. But talking for the other time, I'm just gonna show you what is hard for me. Like I think it's hard, but when I actually tried it, it's hard. But when I try it, it's actually easy. Like what the frick? No. Many kids actually do this sometimes. Guys, if you're bullying someone, just stop. Just swap. What am I talking about? Just stop bullying someone, please. You don't know what they are doing. It's just like a piece of paper. It's nice and flat, no creases or wrinkles when cold. But when you bully someone, like it's like the paper, you're just like crumbling it. Or crumbling or crumbling? And then what the heck? Don't look at that. I got a trypophobia. Don't want that. Heebie-jeebies. Okay. No. That was to camouflage, but guys, if you have trypophobia, can you tell that's like weird? Like your neck, or your hair in your neck is getting a, just okay. Boom. There we go. It's actually an event, but it ended 1 year ago. Or like, I think it's about to be 1 year. I think. It's 2023. It's 2023. It's literally 2024. So it ended 1 year ago.
What does this have to do? You're not going to prom with Jacob.
Sorry, listen, guys. I got some cough. What? I got a little cold. I'm a bit sick. You know, so forgive me if I got some cough. Like bless me. You know, when you hear that, I'm so sorry. I'm just so sorry if you're gonna hear that, because I'm sick. I'm a little sick right now.
You obviously you're gonna meet them and they're gonna be nice to you. How about this? If Paxton goes to prom, then you can go to prom. Oh my goodness, okay, well, I'll send you really hard. Paxton doesn't even want to go to prom. I'll have to find a date with Paxton to go to prom. Maybe that's
Okay, I'm about done. Oh my god, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm done! Look how good, like simple. Oh, what the? Whoa, 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 whoa. Literally so amazing when you're done. Oh god, there's some ads sometimes. So let me just finish this. That's all. That's all the ads. It's annoying. Wait. Sorry guys, my mom. Okay. Okay, so read here. Tropical rainforests are absolute champions of biodiversity, covering only 6% of the global land area. Let me just redo. Tropical rainforests are absolute champion of biodiversity, covering only 6% of global land area. They are home to staggering 80% of the world documented species. Species. Yeah, species. Okay. This goes backward. So this is here. The community had ended, so but this is haven't ended, but I can literally have 100,000 trees planted. So this is what I call it. Absolute amazing. Then this one is like literally simple, right? Then boom, boom, and boom. Literally pictures. Literally, that's it. Oh, this is what we did. This is I did earlier. This is what. Yeah, look at that. I never did it here, but let me just go to my feed. This is in progress. I'm just gonna show you. Oh my god, another ad. Oh my god. Ugh. Like cover there. Isn't that Tom Holland? That's Tom Holland as a girl. So I'm sorry if there's some background noises.
You put the soap in here. You close it.
So, oh my gosh. Okay. So this is in progress, all of them. This is complete.
Probably shouldn't address that.
All the nature is. Oh, even this is the
These are the only kind of clothes I have.
this is the two. This one
Put the garlic
and
knots
this
together.
one is
Set a timer for 10
from you can find but this all this Olivia and Sam this you saw it, right? So yeah, what artist is born accepted economy. Oh, wow, 3,000 pages. Wow. Okay, so library. So I'm gonna show you. There's a bunch of color. So where I found the dog. Actually went from simple that one. And where did I find the other one? I think in place interiors, right? Interiors. Here in this one. So it's definitely a lot more. So if you want to see, there's all of that. So this is my feed. So definitely subscribe and like and subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. Rest in peace, Winger. You will be missed, forever missed. Okay, so I got 67 subscribers. So please subscribe to me. Help me get to 100 subscribers, please. And definitely go check this out. And this one, it's getting ready with me. Check this one out. It's from they broke up, if you don't know. So yeah. Oh, it just writes to like sucker. They broke up, but they still very close friends. And definitely check this out one. Just check out this one. Please watch this out. So definitely some cringe video. Definitely this one. This one, December 6th, 2023. You can check it. But sorry again. My mom is so annoying. Okay, so you can watch this if you want a cringe overlord. Oh, overload.
Hey, Natalie, where's Chef Douglas?
So definitely watch my Call of Duty bunch of my Call of Duty.
I'm so sorry.
Like there's like that for months. So it's like definitely.
Hey, we're in the oven. It's your first day on the job and you're already setting my kitchen
Okay, so just check out my school actually look like. It's the Garden Elementary School, so don't worry. Oh, check this out. One of my top,
I got to go.
yeah, just check that out. But it's my, popular. Watch that, all of that. 3.2, 3K, 2.7, 3,000, 2.6, 2.5, 2.1, 2.1, 1.4, 1.4, 919, 522, 540, 492, 398. Just watch it. Watch it. Okay. You will like it. Some of them, you will like it.